We've done this before. There you go. Shut the knee, shut the knee.
Get the left foot on the inside. There you go. Keep the left foot on the inside. Left foot on the inside. There you go.
Mama, I want you to shove the other knee down and jump over it. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Frames, frames, frames. Frames. Keep the frame, keep the frame, keep the frame. Keep the frame. Left hand frame inside.
Right into this, Stephanie.
There you go. Go, go, go. Back to close guard. Back to close guard.
Remember, she tries to stand up. Keep pulling her back. There's butterflies in. Control sleeves. Ankles. There it is. Hands grip. No, not the belt.
You can go to close guard.
You didn't close yourself. You gotta get connected to it.
There you go. All right, let's start working.
Set up shop a lot of time.
There you go. Nice, nice, nice.
I know you attack the triangle.
Be patient. Be patient here. Control. Control.
Wait, come. Just suffer out. Just get out. Don't rush yourself.
Control. Control.
Watch the hard road. Now push that knee back. Step the knee up. Step the knee up. Step the knee up. There you go. Back to close. Look at that ego there. Let's lock it up. Oh, you gotta got the legs. You got the legs. Stephanie, arm drag. Wrestle up. Arm drag up.
Nice. Control the head. Control the head.
Control your breathing.
Let's go. Grab the back of the elbow. You want to use your leg to protect the elbow so she can't go back.
What about that center line? She's crossing it. You can work around to the back from here.
Keep going. Keep going. You got the back take waiting for you. You got to roll out.
Stop that leg. Right inside the
Go, 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 go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Yes,
Go on,
keep
keep
it
going.
out. Keep keeping out.
Use that as leverage and pull it across. Cross, she's looking for the door. Watch out. Oh, watch out.
Go on, Troy. If you need to, you can go back into the close guard.
Got the pad. Lock it up, Stephanie. Watch your try stand up.
Shoot your right foot through it, man. Shoot your right foot through it, get the close guard.
Watch, you gotta look up. She's gonna pump you back.
You got to sweep.
Come on, come on, come on. Scissor sweep, scissor sweep, scissor sweep, scissor. Keep going, keep going.
To the back, Stephanie. Reach your hips up. Oh, you can't hold on to that belt.
Stephanie, control the back you're on. You got that back take there for you. Keep going, keep going. Keep coming around, keep coming around.
Put the knee down. There you go. There you go.
Go, 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 go.
Use that. Watch your back.
Swim to the left, to your right, to your right, to your right.
1 minute. There you go, there you go, there you go. Nice pass, pass.
Go, 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 protect, protect. There you go.
All right, hey, 50 seconds left, come on. 50 seconds.
You gotta get a sweep, keep going, keep going. You gotta get a sweep. Or triangle here, you gotta set something up.
Oh, watch your back. Stop that knee, stop
If
that
she's
knee.
clamping down,
Stop the knee
you gotta
down.
omoplata set up on your right
There
side.
you go. 30 seconds. Come on, come back. There you go. Stop that knee. Stop the knee. Up, Stephanie. Scrambles. Keep it down. Stephanie, you got 15 seconds. Start a scramble right now. Right up. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,